So good morning, everybody. Right now we're gonna head out to Melao Bakery. Good morning, sir. And have some breakfast. It's a little bit far from here, but we'll make it. The girls are excited. They already got to see their abuelo, and the wife got to see her daddy, and the girls got to see their abuelo. Say hi. Hi. So now we're gonna go out and have some breakfast because I want some coffee. I need some coffee. So check you out later, people. Bye. After eating a delicious breakfast in El Melao, which the wife only ate empanadillas, right? Aaliyah ate, what did you eat? Oatmeal. And Ava? Sandwich. She ate a sandwich, and I ate a pastrami sandwich. Oh my God, and a Puerto Rican coffee. It was delicious to die for. So right now we are at the mermaid gift shop because it's here where Aaliyah wanted to go. So here goes. Look at this. That's one huge mermaid. Look at that. We're gonna walk all the way over here real quick to see it while Mommy and Aaliyah and Ava go in there. And look at that. Look at that. Look how big it is. Holy God, look at that. It's huge. Yeah, that's what she said. But yeah, look at this. It's awesome. Yeah, let's go inside the store and check it out. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Say bye. Another thing, people, when you're in Florida, you need to come visit El Pollo Tropical. It's a must. One of the best Puerto Rican foods you could taste when it's from a fast food. From a fast food, remember that. But yeah, Pollo Tropical, amazing. They'll serve you a lot and hook you up. All right, laters. So we finally got our room because we were staying with my father-in-law. So now the girls is gonna have, one of the girls is gonna have the honor to open the door. Go. Let's check this out. Oh wow, look at this. Oh God. Holy God, look at this. Oh wow, this is badass. Look at the bedroom. Flat screen TV. Oh wow. This is the second bathroom. This would be the girls' bathroom. Nice. Oh wow. This is where the girls would be sleeping. They got their own TV. And look at this. Look at this kitchen. Oh my God. This kitchen is amazing. This living room, badass. Let's go outside. Wow. This is nice. This is real nice. So this will be our temporary staycation until the 6th. And then we will, from here, we'll see what we do. You know, it's small vacation, so she's all excited because we just go out from our bed. So we're gonna go get our things from our father-in-law's room, and then we'll come back, load them up, and let's see where the day takes us. All right, talk to you guys later. Deuces.